Hey everyone, just getting back. This is the next day, I guess, after I made that video yesterday. I put this mower, I got it inside so I could tear it apart and at least get it out of the sun here anyhow. So got it all apart. This was just a miserable job. Every one of the idlers had to be heated like red hot at least twice, and then even the tops where the Allen wrenches went in, even had to heat them up red hot and pound the socket into them and get them apart. So anyways, I ended up, I stayed with it. I got them out. So now all that's left is a ring of bolts at the back, and then this whole tray will come out, and then I can separate it and then clean it all out and then start where I have to repair that top cover. So I'm glad I went through it, because now this is what I found. That one there, she's completely disintegrated the bearing in it. So that's good. I found that. That was at the whole other end of the deck. So I got to price up some bearings just to see, first of all, if they got them in stock somewhere close. And I mean, I got some that are a little noisy, some that aren't too bad. But also, like, it depends what you want to compare them to, I guess. But that's one there. It's pretty free moving, but I mean, it's a little rattly. I mean, they run in oil too, right? And then I got some here that, cover up screen. I got some here that I heated up pretty good when I was getting them out, and you just bubbled the seal a little bit. I don't feel that bad. I don't feel that bad to me at all. Hear that little, I don't know, it's hard to tell. There's no play in them. But, yeah, but it's funny because the ones that are broke, they come out. I got the broken teeth. I put them over here. I got 4 of them, so I needed 4 idlers, which I knew. Yeah. So those bearings there, they don't feel too bad. A little bit of screen, but there are bearings there. So I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do. I'll price them, see what they're worth. It would be nice, ideally, to put them all in, but I know that it was crazy what they wanted for the bearings for the hub spindles. But yeah, she was a bit of a wreck, but it'll be just like new when I'm done. So, but that's what I got to do, is this will come out, and then I'm able to, I got to cut this weld off, of course, because it must have been leaking and they were welding to it, and then this is all broke to hell. So I'll take it all off, take the cover off, it's all flat, and then just zip it off, cut the other one off, line it all up, bolt it all down so it's in the right place, and then make it, and then take it apart, and then flange seal it, and then put everything together. So it's not that bad. It is. It's terrible, but it's got to be done. Oh, it's worth absolutely nothing the way it is. So we got to have it running, get it rebuilt, and then it'll be a good mower. So like anything, but like all these here, I had lots of these spares, but look, you can tell that I heated them up so bad to try to get them out. Everything's seized up. This one here is absolutely ruined, but I have spares that come with the other one. But yeah, and even these, like, they're all siliconed in there, but it's not really. It looks like silicone. I'm not exactly sure what you want to call it, but I'm pretty sure it's silicone. It's not really that flange sealant you get from Maggo. So, but anyways, it's coming tomorrow. I'll get this out. Hopefully, get this all well together tomorrow. That's going to be basically day 2 at it, and then hopefully the third one we'll put it back together. But it's not bad once you get the majority of it apart. Then putting it back together, it's time consuming to do a good job. And this one here is one from it's the parts I bought. And this one is, I mean, it's a nice tight bearing and that. So I'm gonna take the part number off that one. It's a different bearing than the other ones, so somebody might have replaced some of them. But of course, in that bunch there was a bunch there that was bad too. That the seals come off of, and I had a couple of them here too. But, the bottom seal popped off. So we'll play with it, see. They say they're all sealed bearings laying in oil, so I mean some oil does get into them, it has to. But still, if bearings aren't that expensive, I just assume putting them all in. Tie up what you got to tie up in it. I didn't want to, but we'll see. More peace of mind, I guess, if you replace them because it's not a fun job to have to do again. So, yeah. Let's see. Mid tomorrow, I think a little better. It's been a long day today, so. And, you know, but at least it's apart, and then now it's the cleaning game. You gotta clean all the parts, all that, and then we get it all apart. Might as well, well, then we'll paint it. Get the cutter bar painted at least anyway, because it's got to be all clean. Basically, I got to sandblast it all out and do it so that way everything will stick. It's got to be pretty clean. Oh, yeah. But look at the mess in there, right? Like there's hay in there. They must have had it apart in the field at one point and patched it up and got it going. I don't know what they've done, but I mean the gears aren't chipped up. Even that one there with the bearing bed in it, but the rest of them all spun pretty good. That staff rings broke all to pieces. So I don't know for sure. Yeah. So you can tell a little better tomorrow. Get looking at it, but see a lot of it. The blades were running out of kilter and they hit and rounded those over so the bolts wouldn't come out, and you had to torch some of that stuff. And just a miserable day. The only job I've had worse than this one was putting bottom rollers in a dozer. So, and that was not fun. Same thing, laying down on your back, heating up bolts and snap them off, weld nuts to them. I think I spent 3 weeks doing bottom rollers in a dozer. Three bottles of oxygen and 2 of acetylene. It was an expensive job, but I got them done after a while. Every bolt broke off. So anyhow, but I was lucky. I needed 18 mil socket. I have to go get a new one to put it back together. But there was nothing today. I stripped the socket here, and then I went to town tried to get one. They didn't have anything Canadian Tire, so the girl was really nice actually, and they had a 19 mil one there, and they gave it to me, and I was able to grind it down and make it work. So I didn't have to grind down one of mine. So anyway, I was able to get it apart. Now just we're looking back now, put it together. But see, this cover here is a really nice shape, so when I cut this one off, it's got all good bolts. Everything's all good. And clean it all up, so yeah. But it's all work. Yeah, it's been a terrible long day. Not fun. But nothing ever is when you're rolling around the ground. But it's nothing I wasn't expecting that I had to do. I mean, I bought it for $500, right? So center pivot mower, $500. You know what you're getting into. It's going to be repairs. So yeah, it could always be worse. But between this and the other one, if I get the other one, I'll get a roller. Just like anything, you take your time, you buy the stuff. I have my other mower too, so I don't really, I want this one going right now. But if something happens and I can't get it going, then it's not a huge deal, right? But still, I've been trying to get caught up in some of these projects. So, but yeah, this is of course the other one that needs the roller. So. Like anything, so this one here I'm not in a panic for. We're going to set this on the side. I just hooked it to the old case so I can move it around. So just and then I'll find a roller or get somewheres, and it's like anything, I didn't realize how many of the mowers are around. Hey babe. Until we got looking for them. So but anyways, we'll talk at you later.